So welcome to the automotive engineering section of the mechanical engineering department. This is where we cover our practicals. We start with this area that we have several benches. We do our engine tuning and engine overhaul on this section. We have several engines that are here for the trainees to use, around 4 right now. Then on the end of the benches, we have a few machines, grinding machine, and sockets that we can use for electrical work. As we move on this side, we have a small section for charging batteries on this end. Then we have now the several parts of the engine that we use in training of the students. So we have this gearbox, diesel engine, smaller engines, one piston engines. We have several. We have this one and several motorcycle engines there. We have clutch parts here. Then we have a fume evacuator in case there is painting work or fumes during welding work. Then we use this one to make the air circulation clear. Then we have several differential units here that we use also for the training. Apart from this, we have live engines that are usually hybrid. These are hybrid engines that we use to train to have our trainees practice on how we service the hybrid engines. They are fully functional. On this end, we have gearboxes, manual gearboxes. We have 6 units that we use for the training, the manual transmission systems. Apart from that, we have a propeller shaft and the few parts that are here that we can use for the training purposes. On this end, we have a drilling machine that we use to make holes in when we are repairing a few of the components. These are radiators that are currently being serviced for use among the vehicles that we have. This is a board that we use to train electrical work in a car. As you can see, it has so many of the electrical components. This is the alternator, there's the dashboard, there's the lights, and so on. There's a horn, there's a steering system, among others. So this is where we usually train the circuit board inside a vehicle. As we move on this other end, this board, we use it to train the electricals, the injector system, the distributor system in the motor vehicle for that purpose. Then this is our workshop store, whereby we store all our spanners and all the other tools, diesel cleaning agents, and so on. We store them here so that we can use them for the students. As we move on this other end, we have several models. These are dual hydraulic brake model. It just illustrates how the braking system of a vehicle works. So in this model, we have the front brakes, which is a disc brake. Then we have the rear brakes, which is in most vehicles, it's the drum brake that functions at the end. Then in this model, the driver is provided for this section. So this one we use to demonstrate how the whole braking system of a vehicle works before we go to the actual vehicle. Then this is a model for the suspension system and also the steering system. We can illustrate it using this model before we move on to the actual vehicle. Then on this side, we have a model of a gearbox, manual gearbox, that we can demonstrate how shifting of gears happens before we do the actual dismantling in a vehicle. So this is the driver's provision, then this is the actual gearbox, then we assume this is the side